Hi, my name is Alexander Gonzalez. I belong to group 102. Uh, I am with tutor Jennifer Tovar, and this unit 3 intermediate. The problems to negotiate biotechnological products is to cover the needs more than the desires, fix ambitious but realistic goals, know the reach and strength of power of each partner and use this appropriately, listen to the partner, state the negotiation proposal in an advantageous manner for both partners, manage the information with skill, and choose the appropriate strategy and be willing to change it when necessary. Definition of the business model select. The select is binding contract is any agreement that's legally enforceable. That means if you sign a binding contract and don't fulfill your end of the bargain, the other party can take you to court. Advantage. A significant advantage is the security and peace of mind of knowing that your property, assets, and financial future are protected if the relationship was to dissolve. The document gives you the flexibility to specify what property and assets are essential to you and what you wish to retain. The agreement can also be made to ensure that your assets will go to your children in instances where you have been married multiple times. Recommendations. State the negotiation proposal in an advantageous manner for both partners. Clarify the limits of the agreement. Listen to the partner, always. Thank you. Good night.